What's going on, guys? Liam from the Daily Chase here, coming to you with another trade update. I want to apologize. I did not upload a video yesterday, did not make a video yesterday, and I didn't trade yesterday. I definitely could have made and recorded a video because there's still lessons to be learned, but I was just lazy, I guess. So I apologize for that. So let's jump right into the video. Let's talk about yesterday. So yesterday I didn't trade. I'm in a longer term trade that I get from a signal or a group that I'm in where I get signals for some longer term trades. So I still ended up profiting it a bit, but it was nothing locked in. It was just unrealized gains. So yesterday was a pretty solid day. We had a pretty nice run up, and I was literally it opened or came back right about this line support that I had previously drawn. Came down, came up, tested up here, drew this line, and then I was literally waiting for it to come retest support again to get in. But I was in a conversation at work, and by the time I came back, it was already up or closer to here, which I still could have got in, but I just didn't want to. I wanted to get the best entry, which was going to be right here, and I just missed the opportunity to do that. And as you can see, it pretty much rode up. I probably would have got out somewhere along here once it bounced off of this resistance. So that was really yesterday. Probably could have been a pretty profitable day, but I missed it, so it is what it is. So let's get into today, which was a pretty wild day. I've got a lot of lines drawn here. Just been working on drawing lines where there's two or more closes. So you can see there's a close here, here, and here. So that's a valid line. There's two closes right about here, and then a close right here. That's another valid line. Today started with a big drop. Notice where it stopped. Drew that line instantly. Came back up. So it was a false breakthrough, and then pushed up to right here. Established this resistance line. Got pushed back down. False breakthrough again. Came back up, and then it started consolidating, moving into this consolidation into this cone. And I was waiting for it to break down, but it happened so quick. And I was watching the 15-minute. It just happened so quick. By the time it broke all the way down, as you can see, that was pretty much the whole move. So I basically got in for a put right here because I thought it would be going down a little bit more. Came down a little bit more and then reversed. Tried to break above this. I bought in another put right here. I had another false breakthrough. Came down. Pushed up against resistance. Came back down. And then pushed up, and it was starting to form another consolidation right here, and then just pushed through everything. Let's see. So I was in for two puts, and I got out for about right here. Oops. I got in somewhere around right in this area probably. So as you can see, my trading day was not too great. Lost about 170 bucks today. Well, let's see. Yeah, something like that, about 170. This Morgan Stanley trade is longer term, so I guess we can take that out. So maybe closer to $90. But either way, lost about $170, 14%, almost 15%. And just letting you know, I went in for an Amazon call for earnings, and that's going to go absolutely the other way. So by the time tomorrow, this is probably going to be closer to $500. And that just shows you the ups and downs of options trading. Earlier this week, I had the opportunity to be at 2,000. I missed that. I missed yesterday's trade. I made a bad call. And honestly, today, the market was really moving pretty odd to me. I mean, it was just staying in a pretty tight zone. Two consolidations. Typically, especially when it broke through this support, I figured that it would maybe run down, maybe even here to here. But, just didn't happen. So I can't be mad at myself. I honestly, I don't know if I could have executed this better. I probably could have got in earlier. But I was expecting it to probably come down to this next support zone. As you can see, there's really nothing going on between these lines. So I thought it would figured it would at least come down here, take profit down here, but it never happened. Thought I would get another shot up here to come back down. Never happened. Was setting higher lows, and then just eventually broke out. So nothing much I really could have done about today. Even if I had went in for a call, there's really not much room. It could have went from here to here. So it's really up in the air. I'm not really upset about the day. We'll talk about the Amazon call tomorrow when I, when I lose, $400 or $500 on that. But yeah, so just crazy. This is the life of options trading or trading in general. Like I said, I had the opportunity to be at 2,000. Now I'm probably going to end the week closer to about 500. So we're just going to have to rebuild, and we'll go from there. But anyways, if you like the video, be sure to hit that like button, and if you want to see more videos like this and just follow me on my journey, maybe show you that hey, you're not the only one on your journey, or if you just want to learn more, be sure to subscribe. I do plan on creating more educational content. Now I'm a little cautious about that because I'm not an expert. I don't claim to be. I've only been trading options for about 2 months, but a lot of my friends tell me that I seem to be more knowledgeable, and they feel that they could learn stuff from me. So per request of my friends, I'm going to start doing some more educational, just sharing what I do know, and nothing too advanced, just some basics on options and trading in general. So be sure to subscribe for that content. But thanks so much for tuning in, and I will see you next video. Bye-bye.